Two significant events occurred in the Walmart DC fast charging project in the past couple of days. The first one is two additional sites were spotted open. One site was spotted under construction, so that brings the total of sites that are open to 3, and one site spotted under construction. Also, just yesterday, they did a press release with more detailed information about their intentions with EV charging. That was combined with this new infograph. And they're not just doing EV charging, they're also doing solar for their stores and off-property renewable energy, which is a part of a corporate-wide initiative. But you can see right here, the EV stalls are a part of the direction that they're moving the company towards. Let's go to the press release. It indicates these chargers, owned and operated by Walmart using partner technology, which is the ChargePoint Express Plus units, dual handled, one CCS, one CHAdeMO, able to dispense 200 kilowatts, will be convenient, reliable, and affordable. They will provide the same experience to our customers have come to expect from us, integrating into our digital app, easily accessible in our stores and club parking lots, and convenient to use. We expect to start rolling these out this year. So that means the 5,500 locations throughout the United States that Walmart operates that doesn't already have DC fast chargers. I'm assuming if there's already a DC fast charger there with Electrify America, they're not going to put in these. But any other location, starting this year, they will be putting these chargers in the ground, and I'll show you what those look like. They are labeled with use our app for a free charge. So right now, any Walmart parking lot that has these chargers, the DC fast chargers are free for use. They do have some electric delivery vehicles, and I'm going to show a picture of what they're supposedly moving towards, which is the Canoe. There's been a press release on that as well. But anyway, so big news is 5,500 locations throughout the United States starting this year. No indication, obviously, of which ones, but it's anyone's guess. I'll keep an eye on it for sure. Here's the open locations. Bentonville, Arkansas, which is their headquarters. Springdale, Arkansas, which is close to their headquarters as well. And Crossroad, Texas. Fort Smith, Arkansas looks to be a little bit different. I'll explain here in just a second. Here's the Springdale, Arkansas. This looks almost exactly the same as the Crossroads, Texas location, which has 4 dispensers. Both are, all 4 dispensers are CCS and CHAdeMO, and the iconic ChargePoint Express Plus dispensers. We know them to have a single 200 kilowatt power brick feeding each one of these. Here's the one in Crossroads, Texas. I probably should refresh this picture. There's a newer one of it actually being open. And Fort Smith, Arkansas. You can see it's wrapped. This is not a ChargePoint Express Plus. This is a ChargePoint Express CPE 250 unit. So if I had to guess what was going on, because Fort Smith, Arkansas is very close to their headquarters, they were probably doing this as a trial, and then they did a pivot mid-project to the ChargePoint Express Plus units. If I had to guess, but that's pure speculation. This one is not open yet. It's just been sitting there idle for months. And here's the delivery vehicle that they're proposing to start using for their electric delivery vehicle fleet. We'll keep an eye on it. The good news is that the rollout for the Walmart DC fast charger implementation is starting this year, according to the press release that went out yesterday. Thanks for watching.